Welcome back, YouTube. And I'm back, your favorite tutor and president of the organization. I am Jeremiah, and I will be showing you how to multiply 2 times 2, 2 by 2 digit numbers. And basically, you'll be able to do them in under 15 seconds. This is the fastest way proven scientifically. So after I show you this, please refer this video to your friends, family, anybody that you know could use it, that are in school, anything like that, anybody, because it's easy and it's all 2 digits up to 100. So it goes up to 99 times 99. Get your paper, pencils, and pens ready and rolling because we will be beginning. Let's jump right into it. All right, now that you're all prepared, let's begin. Let's start off with an example. "21 times 31 equals." Normally you do it the long way, which is 21 times 31. Normally you'll do it that way, but say forget that way. We're gonna do it the easier way. You know what that is. Here we go. So what you want to do is you want to label these. Whoa, that was an action. You want to label them. This is your tens place. This is your tens place. This is your ones. This is your ones place. Remember that. Same way here. See, tens, ones. It's just same thing, different way. So now that you have it labeled, if you remember it, it's fine. But now that we have it labeled, let's begin. The first thing you're gonna do is 1 times 1. Woo. All right. 1 and 1 gives you 1. The next thing you're gonna do is 1 times 20, which is this right here times, let's get that right there, those two. So 1 times 20 is 20. Now, the next part of that is 3 times 1. This is a tens times the 1, which is 30. The last part is the tens times the tens, which is this times this. 20 times 30 is 600. So let us write that in there, 600. So then what you do is you add all of those up together and you'll get a total of 651. That took longer because I was explaining how we do it. But first step is the ones place times the ones place. Remember that. That's, hold on. It's ones times ones. You can put an X. Ones times ones. The second step is, it is the ones times 1 of the 10. It doesn't matter which one you do. Ones times 10. And then you're just gonna do the opposite. So the first one, if we did 1 times 20, this time we'll do the 1 times 30. So the third step is just flip it, or you can do like something like 10 times 1, just so you know it's the opposite. Then the fourth step is the tens by tens, and that will give you your answer. And after all of that, you just add. Now that we have those steps, please feel free to screenshot or write down, take notes, pause the video to get to know how to do that part. But that's the concept of it. So it's ones times ones. There's 4 steps. Well, really 5 if we're adding. But 1 times 1. 1 times 10s. 10 times 1s. 10 times 10s. 1 times 1. 1 times 10s. 10 times 1s. 10 times 10. Here we go. Let's erase that now. And remember to add after you finish. Let's try out the problem 24 times 48. I'm going to show you how you do it. Here we go. 24, that's too big. 24 times 48. Now, what do we do first? 1 times 1. 4 times 4 is 16 plus. Now, 10 times 1. We have 20 times 40. I'm sorry, 20 times 4, which is 80. Now, flip it. 40 times 8 is, do you know what it is? 40 times 8 is 320. Now, ask yourself, did you catch the mistake? Let's review the step. 1 times 1, 10 times 1. 1 times 10, 10 times 10. Let's see if you caught the mistake. So let's erase all that. And here we go. 1 times 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, we have, and if you need a visual, you can always do this. I give you an easy visual. Now ask yourself this. What would you do? 2 times 8. It'll be that, which we already did is 16. I'm sorry. Is it? Did you catch the mistake? I hope you did, because if you label it properly, you'll get 10s, 1s, 10s, 1s. Please, guys, remember to label. Labeling is a huge part in this. I'm trying to make sure you catch the mistakes. Here we go. 24 times 48. 1 times 1. Let's put our label. 1 times 1, 4 times 8 is 32. Plus, it's 10 times 1. 20 times 4 is 80. Now flip it, meaning you need to do the next set, which is 40 times 4, which is, what is 40 times 4? 160. Plus 10 times 10, which is 20 times 40, which gives us 800. So now add them. 800 and 160 gives us 960. Plus 80 gives us, do you know? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick how to do it. Give half of 80, which is 40, to the 960, which gives you 1,000. Then out of the other 40, which is 1,040. So now we've done this, done this, done this, and we can get rid of this. Plus 32, which gives us a total of 1,000 and that right here is our answer. That's the answer. Now, that's the second practice. Let's now, instead of running through it, we're walking through it. We're going to choppity chop. All right. Let's see. Our problem is 42 times 52. Here we go. Let's label. All right, so we already know 1 times 1, 4, plus 10 times 1. 4 and 2 is 80. Plus the next one. 50 times 2 is 100. Now, 40 times 50 is, do you know? 2,000. So let's add it. If we add this 100 to the 2,000, we actually have 2,100. So now we did that part. Now add 80 to this. We actually will have 2,180. Now that we did that, now we have to add on our 4, which is we've done that. This is our answer. 2,184. See, it's simple and easy. Now, here we go. It is time for our on your own. Here's on your own. It is 41 times 32. Please now pause the video and take the time to solve. When you get back, we will be solving. Good luck and woo! All right, welcome back. So as you can see on the screen, wow, if you heard that, that was definitely hurting. So the first thing first. All right, sorry about that. Had to check what that was. It was the rain. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have first step 1 times 2. The answer to that is 2. Next step, 40 times 2, it equals 80. Number 3, 30 times 1 equals 30. Next step, 4, 40 times 30 equals 1,200. So now, add them all together. What do you get? Let's add. All right, so let's add 30 to 1,200. It just gives us that. Now let's add 2 to that. It gives us that. Let me just make this a little bigger actually. No, let's just not do that. All right, but you get the drift. Now let's add 80 to 12, 32, 80 to 1, 1. So our answer is 1,312 is our answer. If you got that, kudos to you and great job. You fully understand the easier way to multiply 2 by 2-digit numbers. Thanks for tuning in once again to Big Time Tutoring and Mentoring. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let's try to expand our reach bigger and better. Leaving you once again, President of the organization, Jeremiah.